We'll be making these beautiful flavored pancakes. Yes, the pancakes from Kabalagala. So what we need are kabalagalas or bananas. You can use any bananas, even the big bananas. Then we have some sugar. It's just a teaspoon. A mixing bowl also. Then we have cassava flour. We're using cassava flour, not the normal flour. Then I'm going to be using strawberry essence. You can use any flavor you have, and some cooking oil for deep frying, plus soda bicarbonate. This helps to improve the flabbiness of the pancakes. So you first peel the bananas into a bowl, you smash them together. You can use a smasher if you have, and if you do not have, like I don't, then you can use your hand. Make sure you smash them so finely and smooth. Add some soda bicarbonate. You want to use really little. Then the sugar, and put in the flavor, that is the strawberry, and add in the flour. Add the flour according to how the mixture is going. Make sure you have a good dough, whatever whatever it is. So you can mix. You can even use your hands to test how it is getting. If it is really becoming fine and rollable, then you can stop there. But add in the flour occasionally according to how you see the mixture coming. Cut out the pancakes according to the shape you want. I'm using a cup that is helping make circular pancakes. If you have any other shaped equipment that you can use, then use that. And you want to put the pancakes in cooking oil that is preheated, but when you put the pancakes, don't put the pancakes while the oil is still on fire. So first turn off the fire, put the pancakes inside, and turn on the fire. Make sure you're cooking them on really minimum heat. Wait for them until they're brown. You see the color is already a little like brown, but because of the strawberry, but you want to make to wait for them until they golden, like, I don't know, Go for them for about 10 to 15 minutes. It depends. You can keep checking on them until they're ready. So you can see they're really becoming so ready. When the cooking oil starts to a little fizzle less, then that shows they're getting ready. Final outcome. You can see how flabby they look. Should I say flabby or a little raised? Raised, raisin, anything. But they're really looking nice and they tasted way better. So when you want to add some more pancakes, make sure you do not put the other pancakes the next round in the direct heated cooking oil. First leave it to cool a little bit and you add the pancakes. And when you're shifting the pancakes, make sure the fire is still on. You don't want to shift them when the fire is off because they will soak. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.